What? Cakes in cans? Hello everyone! It is with great excitement and pleasure that I invite you to join me in our Cake Cannery online class at the bailiwickacademy.com website. So in this class, we are doing 3 of the most wonderful cakes in cans recipes, which are, by the way, trending right now in various baking circles and groups. So I hope you join me as we take you on a wonderful tour with these 3 recipes. And with Christmas just around the corner, I am sure you are super excited to wow your family, friends, and even potential customers with these wonderful sweet treats.